Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Nelisiwe Zulu. If you're new here, hello, hi. If you're a returning subscriber, hello, hi. Thank you for coming back. I really appreciate you. Okay, today is Friday. Boom, 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 boom. My favorite day of the week, Friday. Well, this is my first weekend vlog in our new place. So we're gonna move a little bit in and out, checking the lights, but today's Friday. I just want to come here and open the vlog. I just came back from work. It's been a crazy week. So yeah, please guys, if you haven't subscribed, please also subscribe down below. But anyway, we are here, and yeah, I'm just here to open the vlog and tell you what we are up to. But before that guys, I will unbox it with you. My LOL bought me a mic. Can you guys believe it? I'm so happy. But I'm gonna unbox the mic with you guys probably tomorrow because it's in the car. It's in the car and it's downstairs, so I'm lazy to go there. So yeah, now what I wanna do is tidy up, clean up the place, and then I'm not gonna do laundry today because I don't know what is it, the manji to carry the washing downstairs, right? So probably tomorrow we need to go and buy grocery. We don't have grocery, and I will come. Now I have to go and fetch the baby, then draw up a list, then with it starts tomorrow morning we go and buy and come back. And yeah, I'm gonna go with you guys because not like I have so many things coming. It's cleaning. I'm not gonna clean with you. I don't know, I'll see. It's grocery, I'll go with you. It's laundry, I'm not gonna do it with you. Or I don't know. It's what, yeah, maybe, I don't know, we'll see by the weekend. So yeah, welcome guys, welcome, and happy Friday, happy weekend vlog, happy 2024. Anyway guys, I will see you tomorrow. For now, bye. Good morning, Mantashe. Good morning, Mantashe. It is Saturday and we just finished bathing. So we're gonna go to the shop to buy grocery and it's grocery and maybe a few household items that we currently need. So that's what is going to happen now. We're gonna go to Evernote Home because there is Pep Home and there's also a surprise home. I wanted Westpac as well, but I can't go to Wonder Park because it's definitely full there. So yeah, let's go to Evernote Home and buy the few things that we need, and I'll see you guys. Will speak Gansha when I come back. Guys, I'm shooting this for the second time and lighting is down, and it was 5:05, now it's 2:06, so, and it's slowly, but the ring light is on. I hope I'm fully focused now because I was focused but being half. So yeah, I think now everything is good. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick run of our monthly groceries. I went to Pick and Pay and I got some few things. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I have already unpacked them with Zilana. So I think Lapa and Zilana, they are plastics. No, I think I'm gonna put them there. Yeah, let's start with the meat and then everything will go inside. I think that's the better way. I got this Voros 2 packets. I'm not a fan of red meat, but Voros, at least it is tasty as later. And then I got Ama mixed portion 3 packets. I got brisket. This one 2 packets. I'm gonna make this now with pap and tomato gravy. Then I got Amako Saints. And the mini cheddars, 2 of them. We got Danone, 1 packet. You don't love it that much. I got Ama mushroom, 2 packets. Tomorrow I want to make a bomb breakfast, so yeah. Red apples, I'm not a fan of apples, but this one's is tasty. Strawberries, mostly for the baby. They love them. And then I got black seedless grape and white seedless grape. Maybe we want special potatoes, broccoli. I know, but there's this dish that I want to make. I saw it on Instagram, so I'm gonna try it tomorrow. So yeah. And then my favorite rice, basmati rice. Cheese, tomato, laughing cow, macaroni, Knorrox cubes, the chicken flavor, I love it so much. And then I got this kitchen towel. What is it? Rich oxtail soup, robot peppers, red Vietnam, pig and pea label, and then this chicken fingers, two snacks, and then shower to shower. I got 3 of the circular soap. I love it so much. Now because we have a bathtub and foam bath, it was on special. And then tomatoes, we came with Handy Andy and Sunlight Liquid from home, so there's no need for me to buy them now. And Eva Cellular. And then I went to Pep home, and then I got this Ipila for my potato. Wooden spoon, gonna make that now. Knives, I hope they work. Mesha, and then these spoons, and then these spoons as well, and this thing for your fruits. Is it a fruit basket? Yeah, fruit basket. Yeah, I think that's all that we got. Oh, and water, the 5-liter water, jig, soap, and fabric softener. So yeah, onions as well. So yeah, guys, let me cook. I'm not gonna cook with you guys now because I wanna cook quickly, and it's already 6 o'clock. So by 7 I need to be done, and yeah, I'm exhausted. I cleaned the house and I did laundry, so yeah, I'm dying. So yeah, I wanna quickly cook now, and while I'm cooking I'm gonna pack these things. So yeah, I'm not gonna do anything with you guys now. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, right? Yeah. Happy Sunday. Good morning. Good morning. Today is Sunday, the last day of the vlog. Oh guys, yesterday I was so down because I'm using the back camera, so I'm still getting used to it. You're gonna like I'm a very tall babe, so obviously I'm in vacation. I can't take a mirror. Your mom plays one mirror, so like the first video here goes at a haul. It cut my hair, and it was not needed, man. It was, I don't know what was going on, but then I did manage to reshoot. So yeah, it will be trial and error. So I think the way I'm so tall, cutting me, I had to. Yeah, when I had the fan box, I had to put the tripod on top of the fan box. Then at least the innkeeper got so manje we're gonna do anyway, it's Sunday and today I wanna make breakfast with you. I wanna make a scrumptious breakfast. I know I don't have a pan. Please don't come for me. I will buy pots and that comes with a pan. So now I'm gonna use my pots. So yeah, let's make breakfast. I'm hungry and I have already taken a bath. I'm hungry. So yeah, let's make breakfast and I wanna unbox something with you. I want to unbox something with you. So let's make breakfast, eat, then after that we're gonna do the unboxing together. Of using a big camera. It's very real. The struggle of using a big camera, guys, it's real, but honestly it is worth it, and I rather struggle than use the front camera. You know, you put your phone like this and then after that you have to go and check if you're in focus, come back again like that. But I'd rather do that than use a front camera. I'm no longer that girl. I'm serving you guys quality phone content, right? Okay, it's around 12, so I wanna cook before 3 because yesterday our schedule says we're gonna have load shedding at 10 at night. But yesterday at 3 we had a we had load shedding basically. So I wanna cook, and I know that if load shedding decides to hit at 3 o'clock, then I'll be done cooking, right? Yeah. So, but before we start cooking, look at that! Look at this, guys. If there's one person who believes in me and my content, it's Dr. Boss. Like, that man believes in me, and I'm not gonna let him down, okay? I'm not gonna let you down, man. I'm not gonna let you down, LOL. Like, that's not gonna happen. You're gonna get the quality content that you want, right? So Dr. Boss got me a tripod. What? A mic? A tripod. Guys, we have already opened it, man. A tripod. This is a quality tripod. Let me show you the tripod I was using. Wait. The tripod that I was using, it was also bought by him. He sent me money and I bought them. Actually, I took screenshot and I showed these ones, everything that I needed for him, and he sent me that money and I bought the equipment, right? But he says he noticed that when I'm vlogging in public or when I'm outside, there's too much noise that's coming. So he decided to get me a tripod that comes with a microphone and with wind. Okay. It's a microphone, the flexible smartphone clamp, tripod, audio output cable for smartphone, wind muff, and portable case. So let's unbox that. Sorry about that. I'm sorry about this. Let's continue. Let's continue like usual. So, as you guys saw, this is the mic from LOM. I'm gonna unbox it to you. This is the case. I love it. I love this mic so much. Guys, Handa. I thought I was gonna go with it to the mall in the morning, but yeah, it didn't happen. Please, please, please. Guys, we have a tripod. We have a very beautiful tripod. It's so stable, it's so strong. Realize that, you know what, Nelly, I don't like your tripod, the one that you're using, especially when you're outside. I can't hear you. So he decided to go and buy this baby here. Love it so much. I love it so much. He bought it. It's so stable, guys. Then this is the, what is this? This is the wind muff. I think after you have connected everything, this goes on top of the mic, which I think is already dressed. Yeah, I don't wanna pull things. I have to do this geekily and look into everything. You know, there's a manual as well. This is the wind muff with the wind, and I think you connect here. This is your phone. You connect to your phone. I do have the iPhone and this pin connector, so we're going to use it. Perfect. And this well, it's for, I think, the camera. I think so. Actually, it has a camera, so it's for the camera. And then we have, I don't know what is this, but I will figure it out. We have this one where you put your phone. So we're gonna put my phone here and we will be vlogging in public without any problem or any stress. So I'm so happy and I'm so happy. Thank you, LOL. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. Living, I love you from or to the moon. Oh, I love you to the moon and back. Yeah, thank you, LOL. I said we're going to I will assemble this and we're going to start using it because it's so cute, guys. Look at this. Me. And then ke kopa le sa tshabang du ha le bona ko mall ke kopa le sa tshabang le bona ko breast mall ke kopa le sa tshabang please. I seen that juke. I'm just having my tripod and camera and my phone. Please ke vlogger le sa tshabang I seen that juke. Yeah guys, yeah, thank you guys, thank you LOML, and yeah, that's my unboxing for today. And yeah, if you have watched until this far, please do subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and yeah, show me some love and support, man. I was stingy, subscription is for free, so please do that, do it for your girl. And show me some love, and support. Show your girl some love and support. Please, kakubela. Kakubela, bahulu kakubela. Anyway, guys, let's cook before it becomes late, okay?
Everybody else will just show me that, but I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad, but maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just go like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was you, it would be like that. To everybody else, it would just so be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You're just a fan. You don't hold right. No. Don't hold no right. Yeah. Pretty ass, better ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga, ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty, got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what a time, what a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. But you wanna fuck me down, but you wanna love me down. Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring a nigga, show me something. Shake it like you owe me something. Check on the button like a button, keep on that still getting ready in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Peace, that's how peace. Gotta clap into this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she see my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. Bitch, that's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic with Mac 11s. Bad bitch, and she's Spanish. I fire that got a puzzle. We get nasty, I'm a daddy. I know a nigga ain't average. Nothing wrong with fake acid. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic. I'm geeking, I'm on it. Don't look at me like you want it. Tell them that we ain't stunting. If fourth down, we ain't punting. Think up this stuck alarm, it can't come here without
I've been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on this, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on this, getting the best of me. While in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. I've been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on this, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on nice, getting the best of me.
Side wind, straightforward, eyes on the climbing. I decide no matter the climate. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay him beside me. Hey time, chasing the rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me. You better learn how to face it. She's gone girl. She's gone girl. Never replaces. She's gone girl. Gone girl.
This is our dinner / lunch, Sunday lunch. I know the broccoli looked overcooked, but it is what it is. Yeah, it looks yummy. Let me taste and I'll tell you guys. Cut. What? Guys, if I come to your place or I come to you and you cannot cook while you watch me, please, what are you doing with your life? Guys, the broccoli, I'm not a fan of broccoli. I don't like veggies. But I was like, let's get the broccoli and we'll see how it tastes. Guys, it tasted amazing. Like, amazing. I love carrots. I don't have a problem with carrots. Broccoli, please. I only put rama and aromat. You guys saw. Wow. That broccoli tasted amazing. I don't want to lie to you. Get into it, please. The mushroom, is it mushroom sauce or what? I forgot to buy flour. So what I did with it is, but I did show. Did I show you? I don't remember, because as I was cutting the mushroom, I'm like, we ate mushroom in the morning, so it will be repetitive. I don't know if I showed it to you. If I did not, guys, it was a normal mushroom. I put onions, then my father my mushroom, then I stirred, and then when they were already done, I put milk inside, and I used just to thicken the sauce. Rich oxtail soup. I didn't buy flour. I forgot to buy flour, but I was like, I want that mushroom soup. I want that mushroom sauce. Just small, just to thicken the milk and the mushroom. I don't know if you cannot pull this out, this meal, give up now. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking, but my food tasted amazing. The mash, it tasted amazing. I'm so mad because I did not find the garlic thing that I always use on my mash. It was not there at Pick n Pay, so I thought yesterday it was not there at Pick n Pay. I thought today I'll go to our Pick n Pay here, or I'll go to Checkers or ShopRite, but it was not there. But it still tasted amazing. You know, Rama and Aromat does the trick, does the thing. Guys, please get into it. And the meat was simple, guys. And chicken spicy, and while I put it into the oven, it tasted amazing. Call me Chef Nelly. Call me Chef Nelly. Call me Chef Nelly. Guys, I can cook. Like, honestly, I can cook. No, man, I can cook. You know what I will do, because this meal was so, like, I have never made such. Actually, my meals are always simple, but I have never made such a delicious, simple meal. I'm gonna make this during the week or next week. I don't know, I'll see. I'm gonna make it for LOML because it stays in Pretoria North as well, and take it to him because I need a second option. I need someone to taste this food again. Like, I'm gonna make it exactly. I'm not gonna buy flour. I'm not gonna make the mushroom sauce with flour. I'm gonna use this. You know what, guys? You know what? Let's close the vlog. Let's close the vlog because your girl can cook. Anyway, guys, if you have watched my video until this far, thank you so much, and please do click the subscribe button down below to become part of my family. Please subscribe. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do click the subscribe button down below. It's for free. You don't pay anything. You just need a Gmail account and you just click the subscribe button. It's your way of showing me some love and support, and I really, really, really appreciate each and everyone who subscribes to my channel. Please, and leave me a comment, guys. When you like the video, YouTube suggests it to other people, then they get to subscribe as well. When you comment, guys, it doesn't matter if you write something or you drop something. YouTube may suggest the video as long as there's like, there's comment. Please, 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 guys, please. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for the love. I really appreciate you guys, and I don't take it lightly. It's been a weekend. I don't know honestly if we have enough footage, but you know what, it is what it is, guys. But what I know is that on February I want to start posting 2 videos per week. I want to start posting 2 videos per week. I don't know, you know what, we'll speak about this on my next vlog. Sorry, we'll speak about it on my next vlog. Let me close this vlog, edit and put it on YouTube because we are that consistent. We are that consistent, baby. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please like. Please comment, guys. Comment and like. Please. Keep liking. Bye.